Greetings and welcome to the Yjaye Nature Life Channel. Today is Monday the 26th of May 2025, which means yesterday was Africa Day and the day before that was Eritreas Independence Day. I am an African, cultured by Jamaica, but I know where I'm from. I love my continent and I love to enlighten people about the beauty of it. As you know, yesterday was Africa Day, and you're probably wondering what's that about exactly. Africa Day, formerly Africa Freedom Day and African Liberation Day, is an annual commemoration of the foundation of the Organization of African Unity on the 25th of May 1963. It is celebrated in various countries on the African continent as well as around the world. The organization was replaced by the African Union on the 9th of July 2002, but the holiday continues to be celebrated on the 25th of May each year. It is also worth noting that the Africa Day celebration fosters a sense of pride in African identity, culture and heritage, among others. It encourages Africans to embrace their diverse cultures, languages, traditions, thus promoting a sense of belonging and community. I plan to highlight all 54 countries in Africa, showing the beauty, the cultural resemblances, traditions, and much more. I decided to do so in multiple videos. Then when I'm done, I will have a full documentary of the whole of Africa, which of course you can find on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and stay tuned. Alright. So I had to post something today, because if I did the whole 54 countries and the whole big video right now today, I wouldn't finish by today. So so today's video will be about North, South, East, West and Central Africa, stating all the different countries and what region they are. 100 fantastic facts about Africa that you did not know, and much more. And there will also be keyframes for the video if you wish to skip to a specific point. So get comfortable, grab a snack and a drink, call everybody you know to come watch the video with you and share it, because it's all about to begin right now. West Africa is a vibrant region with numerous positive aspects, including a rich cultural heritage, diverse ecosystems, and growing economic opportunities. The region boasts a wide variety of ethnic groups and traditions, a thriving arts and music scene, and numerous natural wonders. West Africa, also known as Western Africa, is the westernmost region of Africa, commonly known to have 16 countries in the region, including Benin, Burkina Faso, Cape Verde, the Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Liberia, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Nigeria, Senegal, Sierra Leone, and Togo. As I mentioned, Burkina Faso, you must have heard of Ibrahim Traoré, the great president that is uniting the whole of Africa. In the later videos, I'll give all the information about all the great works he's doing, so stay tuned. Now, the population of West Africa is estimated at around 419 million people as of 2021, and at 381,981,000 as of 2017, of which 189,672,000 were female and 192,309,000 male. The region of West Africa is demographically and economically one of the fastest growing regions on the continent of Africa. Early history in West Africa includes a number of prominent regional powers that dominated different parts of both coastal and internal trade networks, such as the Mali and Go empires. West Africa sat at the intersection of trade routes between Arab-dominated North Africa and further south of the continent. The source of specialized goods such as gold, advanced ironworking, and ivory. After European exploration encountered rich local economies and kingdoms, the Atlantic slave trade built on already existing slave systems to provide labor for colonies in the Americas. For example, they continued exporting a number of extractive goods, including labor-intensive agricultural crops like cocoa and coffee, forestry products like tropical timber, and mineral resources like gold. Since independence, many West African countries, such as the Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, and Senegal, have played important roles in the regional and global economies. West Africa has a rich ecology with strong biodiversity and several distinct regions. The area's climate and ecology are highly influenced by the dry Sahara to the north and east, which provides dry winds during the Harmattan, as well as the Atlantic Ocean to the south and west, which provides seasonal monsoons. This mixture of climates gives West Africa a rich, diverse array of biomes, from biodiversity-rich tropical forests to drylands supporting rare and endangered fauna, such as pangolins, rhinoceros, and elephants. Because of the pressure for economic development, many of these ecologies are threatened by progresses like deforestation, biodiversity loss, overfishing, pollution from mining, plastics, and other industries, and extreme changes resulting from climate change in West Africa. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on, because tomorrow will be the rest of Africa, from north to east to south, and over 100 facts about Africa that you did not know. Putting all this information together took me a lot of time, so I would appreciate love if you share this video, leave your comments and your thoughts in the comment section, give the video a like, and look forward for the next video. Give thanks.